All right, for tonight's homework, I'm going to start with page 3. Start by graphing these, looking at the y-intercept, and then looking at the number in front of x, the slope, to get my rate of change and get another couple points. Graph it, and then see if my point works. I'm also going to do a couple checks to show you algebraically that it proves if that point is on the line. So here we go. And then just check the key for the others, and then feel free to come in at lunch anytime, lunch or break. I'll give you help whenever you need it. So on both problems, you can see that I start with the y-intercept, and then I look at the slope, the number in front of x, to get another couple points, graphed it. I then took that point and plotted it and saw if that point was on the line. If that point was on the line, it proves that point is a solution to that equation. The algebraic proof on the left is me taking the coordinate x and y and plugging it in for y and plugging it in for x and doing the math. The one on the right with the fraction, I know that's a little tricky, but that negative 1/2 is negative 1 for the rise and 2 for the run. So going over 2, down 1, over 2, down 1. And then when I did that check, it did not work because 0, 7 is not on the line. All right, now on to the next page. For these problems, pretty simple. Just take that value that they're giving you, plug it in. Everything else remains the same, only that variable that you're plugging in changes. And then do the math and see if it's a solution. If you get two equal numbers, that is a yes, it is a solution. So here we go. So you can see on these problems, I took the value and I plugged that in. I know that one with fractions was a little bit difficult, but I know that you can do that. And then let me double check on that last one. Looks like I did make a little mistake. I forgot to put that 2 in there, so I'm going to go back and fix that. So you can see it's still not a solution with that 2 in there. So again, you can double check, watch your work there. All right, next page, last page. For these problems, you're just solving them algebraically. Most of them are two-step equations where you get rid of the plain number and then you divide. A couple of them are variables on both sides. So here we go. So on these problems, most of them are two-step equations where you get rid of the number first and then you divide second. And then the last two were variables on both sides. So again, we'd like you to start on the left by getting rid of the plain number, go to the right, get rid of the variable, and go back to the left and do your last division if you need to. 30, you did not need to divide in the end. And then I did my check. All right, good luck.